Bailiff Wadsworth, go serve this bird.
Yes, Your Honor. Time to ruffle some feathers. Okay, birds, which one of you is the bad egg? Possibly an insurance scam. Not the right suspects, but noted for further questioning. You know, bird, don't make an ass out of me. The wild goose chase is over. I'll see you in court.
See Hardy the Goose testify live at Cancel Culture Court on October 9th and 10th. A portion of the proceeds supports the Carolina Waterfowl Rescue.
This goose is cooked.